Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Android and clearing a spot on your home screen. This avoids layout errors. Next, install the weather app you prefer and open it once so it can initialize settings and permissions. Once done, long press the home screen, tap Widgets, find the weather widget you installed, then drag it to the desired location. Make sure the widget preview fits the grid before you release. This ensures the widget will appear correctly and load its initial data. You now configure the widget so it stays useful. Resize the widget on the home screen by long pressing it and dragging the handles to match your layout, then tap the widget to open its quick settings. Inside the app, set your default location, choose degrees C or degrees F, and pick an update interval like 15 minutes for near real-time data. Make sure you allow location and background data, and take a moment to exclude the app from battery optimization. Otherwise, updates can be paused. You finish by testing and securing the widget. Tap Refresh or toggle location to confirm current conditions display. If the data appears, position and lock the layout if your launcher supports it. Then balance battery versus accuracy by lowering the refresh rate or enabling a dark theme to save power. If the widget is blank or won't update, the key fix is to check and grant location and background permissions, clear the app cache, and as a last step, reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.